In this video, an app that help you find the angle of a line in Python. The app helps you find angle on a straight line. When you enter the program, you can press Q to exit the app or R to delete the lines. Simple as that. You cannot enter more than one line to the app because it will not calculate it. You need to reset the dots with R. Please let me know your valuable feedback on the video by means of comments. Please like and share the video. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel for more educational videos.